Hello, I am the Stock Options Hero, and from here on out, I'm going to share with you stock options secrets that only the most successful option traders know. In my videos, you are going to see my secret options trading system that only a handful of people know. And as I'm sure you're well aware of by now, options trading can be very lucrative. However, most options traders are not consistently successful, or even worse, lose money trading stock options. Trading stock options can be a high probability trade if done properly. Let me show you. Now, each day I will record a video where I play simulated options trades. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos daily to learn how you too can be a successful stock options trader. Disclaimer: these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or stock options. Before I dive into today's stock options video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will see my videos as soon as they are posted. This way, you won't miss out on any paper trading ideas. Tell me in the comments section which option trades you are looking at paper trading, and if you're lucky, I might do analysis on a ticker symbol from the comments section. All right, let's leap into today's video. Welcome to another exciting video of Zero DTE Option Trading Strategies, brought to you by me, the Stock Options Hero. Oh yeah, let's leap into it. All right, so today I had a rather busy morning and I wasn't able to keep a close eye on SPX. So as a result, I did not enter the trade as I wanted. Excuse me. So I think I looked at around here. It was around here. Anyway, so I tried putting on a bull put spread, but then the price started to rise, thereby decreasing the credit received on the bull put. So my limit never triggered. I put it on around a 50-cent net credit initially. Then I dropped it to a 40-cent, and now it's trading around a nickel. So I missed that entry. Hopefully some of you were able to pull a trigger on the Zero DTE option. So looking intraday, we're probably going to head lower, possibly even retouch the low for today, at which point hopefully one of these will fill and I capture a quick 10-cent credit. So here, let me go back to monitor. So I'm trying to get this one at 40 cents. So that's definitely not going to happen. So I can drop that to 10 cents. I don't think it will fill, but much better chance filling at 10 cents than at 40 cents. There we go. Just took a minute to clear out the old one. So let's see. So we've got a 4265 by 4260 and a 4260 by 4255. They are very high probability at this point, around 95% probability of expiring out of the money at this point. As a result, I'm not going to get much of a credit, but at the same time, I'm not willing to go any closer. It's entirely possible for it to close around 4270, as that is close to the low for the day. So 4265 is probably as close as I'm willing to go on my short strike. Anything else is very possible to expire in the money. So lesson learned, which I already knew, but just to reiterate that when putting on a 0 DTE option trade, looks like the sweet spot is around 3 to 4 hours before expiration, because when you get to about 1 to 2 hours before expiration, the value on the 0 DTE option falls off a cliff. So you're not going to get much credit during the last hour or two of the trading day. So ideally, you want to have enough data or candles on the 5-minute chart to give you an idea of where the main support and resistance levels are. So right here, this is around the low. Then it double topped up here. And it's traded, SPX has traded in a very tight range for the day. So I don't really see it trading above the extreme high or extreme low for the day. So theoretically, you could have, waited for the MACD to flatten out. You could have put a bear call spread up around like 4,300 or 4,295, depending on what kind of credit you can get. And then you could have sold a bull put spread around here, around 1205-ish. That would have been another good entry. So today, if you were watching it all day, you could have legged in to an iron condor. But unfortunately, I was busy and couldn't watch it, right? So far, I like the idea of having a quick return on my investment capital. But if you're a busy individual and you can't sit at your computer for 4 or 5 hours straight watching the markets, then the 0 DTE option trading strategy is most likely not for you. And you may want to go back and watch my 45 days till expiration series and try that strategy out. But if you are a day trader and you are looking to make between, $100, $500, even $1,000 per day, you could definitely do it, but you will take on more risk because of such a short duration. So I'd strongly recommend that you paper trade extensively before you ever trade real money on the 0 DTE option strategy due to having 0 days, right? So if the price goes against you, you might be able to roll it, but more often than not, you're just going to take your max loss. And if you're going for 10% return on credit, it's been around between $500 and $1,000, with me risking $5,000 of investment capital. So it's great until you take your loss, and then that one loss can wipe out 5 or 6 good trades, right? So you really need to dial in the strategy and make sure your trading rules are bulletproof. And yes, you will get surprised with news announcements, so you will also want to be apprised of any major news that is coming out during that trading day. And there are many calendars that are available, and there's even a calendar available on the Thinkorswim platform. I don't use it myself, but try to remember where it is. I thought it was under tools. Anyway, I will look into that and cover that in an upcoming video. But yes, there is a calendar. Here we go. Market Watch calendar. So I like forexfactory.com for major news announcements. I used it when I traded Forex back in the day. So once again, that's forexfactory.com. I would take a look at that website. It worked out pretty well for me and had all the information I needed. So, oh yeah, yesterday I failed to mention that I had a gain of $500 in SPX 0 DTE option trade. Yeah, sorry, I got distracted and off topic and forgot to go over how much my gain was. So I have been trying to average between $500 and $1,000 per day on this 0 DTE option trading strategy. That way, if I have 1 or 2 losers in the month, I will hopefully reach my goal of $10,000 gain during the month. So I think with SPX, I'm around $15,000 gain over the last 45 days. I'm not sure where I will be at the end of this 30-day exercise. So definitely continue to watch my videos and see how much I gain on trading SPX 0 DT option trades. So that's it for the day. Thanks for subscribing and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime my videos are uploaded. Thanks again, and happy trading.